So busy elevating while I'm living my life. Ride a solo, never switching no sides. This ain't no ego and pride, I just be using my mind. I'm on my hustle and grind, I gotta get it and shine. They used to never